Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of speech therapy activities with me, and we are continuing our tape series, and today we're going to see the fourth activity using tape. In this activity, we are going to work on two skills. One is blowing and oromotor skills, as well as some respiratory control. And the second one is some cognitive skills or executive functioning related skills. So, executive functioning skill that we are going to do here is goal oriented activity. What I mean is, in this activity, the child is expected to stay in the whole activity from the beginning to the end, and be able to pay attention and go to the goal. Right, now let's get into the activity and see how to do it. Use the cello tape to make a path on the table, or you can even do it on the floor. At the end of the path, use the cello tape and a small cup or a bowl to make a goal post. Here I have used my stacking cups to make the goal post. Take some paper and crumple it up into a small ball, or if you have a small plastic ball, you can use that. Also, alternatively, you can use some pom-poms that you have available also. And optionally, you can also have a straw that you can use to blow the balls with. Now demonstrate to your child how to push the ball along the path by just blowing on it. You can use the straw to blow, otherwise you can just blow the ball without the straw. This is a more simple, straightforward path which does not have any curves. You can use something like this initially and then move to a more zigzag path. I want to add a quick note about executive functioning skills. Executive functioning skills are a set of higher level cognitive skills. These are skills that a child needs in order to take part in an activity, problem solve the difficulties in the activity, regulate their emotions, and complete a goal directed activity. In this activity, we are teaching our child executive functioning skills like working memory and paying attention to the rules, and even if you make a mistake, you have to come back and try again and keep trying until you reach the goal. Executive functioning skill development and language development go hand in hand. Okay, so try this activity at home. It's very good for oromotor skills as well as for executive functioning skills. Executive functioning skills are very important for overall development. Try it and let me know how it works. I'll meet you in the fifth activity in the next video. Bye.